a gun. How hard can it be?
Here, kitty kitty.
You better be dead. Jacob wanted this guy taken care of yesterday. Okay, if you don't answer, I'm gonna have to send you more guys. I really don't want to send you more guys. Look, did you kill that crazy fucker or not?
Changing spots. I see something. Get ready. Watch my back.
Get ready for it! Brimstone for you right here! Come out!
Making a move.
Always darkest before the dawn. Always darkest.
Okay, backup's on its way. They should be there any minute now.
Change in position.
Richard? See?
Right, they should be there already.
Goddamn
Should be an
phone.
easy thing to clear those
Just
sinners
stay
out.
there. I know you think you can handle Jacob, but trust me, you can. Not by yourself. Join the Whitetails. We got food, supplies, ammo, enough for your whole family. Please, listen to reason.
Moving.
Call me when you get this.
Watch my back.
They're up there! Come
I
over
got you,
there!
fucker!
This ghost is killing me! Here it comes! Lock
You're
it loud!
fucking dead!
Moving up!
Over there, see him?
I knew their daughter, Becky Elliott. Nice kid. She helped me rob a store once. Hope they got out before the shit hit the fan.